Before I start this video, I want you guys to subscribe to El Sar. Also subscribe to D-Lord Collects. And the final person, please subscribe to Heroes House. Links will be down below so you can check them out.
What's up everyone, it's me CN.TSUKAIMA and welcome to CN.Toy Collection Haul. And right now, I got a package from Big Bad Toy Store. And I really love this website a lot. And this package, I ordered one Star Wars figure, one McFarlane toys, one NECA figure, well, mostly it's a 2-pack right there. And also one Marvel Select figure. Alright, so enough chatting. Holy guys, I can't breathe. Alright, so enough chatting. Let's open this box right now. First, let me stretch my sleeves back. And I got my keys. Like I said, I don't use any switchblades or any scissors to open the package, because using your keys, your house keys, or any type of keys is safe, so you won't cut yourself. Alright. Pull it. Sorry about that, guys. It's just that I'm taking everything in like in the front, because it shows the address of my house and my name, and I don't want to show that. Alright, I think that's it. Alright, so let's open it up. Alright, there you go. Now, let's open the package. The package is open. Alright. So please guys, check out Big Bad Toy Store. Oop. Okay, so the first figure I'm going to take out is the Marvel Select Abomination. I finally got this bad boy. I've been wanting to get him and over there in the Swami Meta, but they say that they don't have him that much, because this is like the rarest figure of all. And so I finally got this guy. I've been wanting to get him because now I'm going to be starting stop motion videos. I gotta really need this guy for my Hulk video. Okay, so let's disinfect it. Hope I'm not putting too much. Whoa, I did put too much. Let me open the door. Whew. There's a picture here, and here's the back side. Give me a second, guys. Let me open the door. I didn't kind of put too much in here. Okay. The next figure I'm going to take out is Woo! This is a NECA one. I've been wanting to get this 2-pack a very long time. I got it. I finally got this 2-pack. It's Dutch and Linn's. Oh, I'm very happy because I've been wanting to get this 2-pack at Big Bad Toy Store. Because every time they put this set, sometimes takes months to put them in stock. So I finally had the chance to get this 2-pack. Woo! Yep, this one is mine. It's finally mine. Woo! Alright, first let's disinfect it and make sure I don't put too much. Here's the back side. There you go. And a little bit in the back. Okay. Yep, it's all mine. Okay, which one should I take out first? You guys got one Star Wars figure and one McFarlane. Look what I got from McFarlane. The Mortal Kombat 11 Spawn. But I'm still hunting the one with the sword. Because the sword one, that's the one I really want. This one, I don't really care about this one that much. And here's the back side of this box. And we can see the name of the game, Mortal Kombat, and also here in the back side. Very happy to get one. Alright, let's disinfect it. Alright, now this is the last one. From Star Wars, I got the new Black Series figure, Anakin Skywalker. And he looks very awesome. We finally get a figure of this guy from this version. I think this is the Star Wars Episode 2. You can see him right there with the accessory he comes with. And here's the back side. I kind of really like this toy. Alright, so let's disinfect it right now. And there we go. Alright, so this is pretty much it, guys. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave a like. If you want to share it, go ahead, be my guest. Comment, but remember, do not leave any offensive comments or saying bad words. If you do that, your comment will be removed from this video. And subscribe to the channel right now because there's going to be more videos on the way. Like, I'll be doing more toy hunts, more toy reviews, also more unboxing videos, and especially stop motion videos. Alright, so please subscribe to the channel right now. And please follow my Facebook page, CN Figures. Follow me on Twitter and follow me on Instagram. And I catch you guys on the next video. Take care and be safe. This is CN.TSUKAIMA, and he's out and live.